Hi everyone, so today's problem of the day is angle between hands of a clock. And what is given in description? Given two numbers hour and minutes, written the smaller angle in degrees formed between the hour and the minute hand. And we need to return the answer within 10 to the power minus 5 of the actual value will be accepted as correct. So we'll understand more with the help of example. So in example, it is given hour equals to 12 and minute equals to 13. That means the clock is something like this. So the hour end will be somewhere here, and the minute hand is R end is this, and the minute hand is this. So if you will see, if there is a clock and there this is 12 and this is 3, the angle between these both is 90 degree. And if this angle is 90 degree, then what will be the angle between 12 and 1? It will be 90 by 3, so it will be 30. And if we will do the half of this, then the angle between this will be 15. So we can say the angle between this 12 and this hand will be 15 degree. And the same way, the angle between this 12 and this minute hand will be 180 degree. So if we will try to find the angle between this and this, it will be 180 minus 15. That is, it will be 165. So we can return 165 in our answer. If we will move into the second example, it is same like this. So this is 90 degree and this is 15 degree because it is exactly in the middle. And this is this angle will be 180 degree. So if we will calculate this for this R end, what will be the angle from this here? So it will be the angle will be 90 plus 15, and this whole from this 12 to this 6, that the angle is 180 degree. So this will be 105 and this is 180. So if we will try to find this angle will be 180 minus 105. So it will be 75. So we can return 75 in our answer. So here we are able to find the angle using the clock, but we have given only the hour and the minute. So we need to see some solution so that we will be able to find with the help of the hour and the minute. So if we will see how we can find this. So if there is a clock 12, 3, 6 and 9. So if you will see, this is a clock. So if you will see in 30 minutes, the angle will be 180 degree, because if my minute hand is somewhere here, and if it will come to this 6, then how many minutes will be covered? It will cover 30 minutes, and the angle between this is 180 degree. So if we will try to find for 1 minute the angle, 1 minute equals to 180 divided by 30, it will be 6 degree. So in 1 minute, according to the 1 minute, we are able to find the angle is 6 degree. So for x minute, my angle will be 6 degree into x. So for minute, we can easily find with the help of this formula, 6 into x. And what about the r? So if we will see the r, so r mein there are two things. R hand will change based on the r also and based on the minute also. Because if you will see, if we will complete 12 hours and the angle will be 360 degree. So for 1 hour equals to 360 divided by 12, so it will be 30 degree. So for 1 hour, my angle will be 30 degree, and for x hour, it will be 30 degree into x. This is for the hour. But if you will see, currently suppose it is 12 o'clock, and if it will be 12:30, so r is same only, but based on the minute, my r angle will change somewhere between 0 and 1. So we need to calculate for r, and we need to add the angle based on the minute as well. So if we will try to find for this, so if I already shown you in our previous example that the in 30 minutes the r angle will move by 15 degree, because it will be somewhere here. So in 1 minute it will move by 15 by 30. So it will be in 1 minute it will move 0.5 degree. So in m minute it will move 0.5 degree into m. So this is for my minutes. For x minute, my angle will be 6 degree into x, and for my r, in 1 hour it is equals to 30 degree into r plus 0.5 into minute. So with the help of these two formulas, we will be able to find the angle for this. Then we will try to find the angle for R, and then we will do the R minus minute angle to find the actual difference between these both angles. The same thing I have done in my solution. I have find my R angle. R angle equals to 30 degree into R plus 0.5 degree into minute. In this way, I will be able to calculate my R angle. And why I have done modulo 12 here? Because after every 12 minutes, my R will start from 0 degree. That's why I'm doing R modulo 12 here. And in minute angle, if you will see, this is same like 6 into minute, 6 degree into minute. And I can get my minute angle using 6 into minute. And I'm using this 30.0 and 6.0. The reason of using this because we need to convert to double. If we will just use 30 into R or 6 into minute, then it will be converted into the integer, and we will not get the correct answer, because it will be, if it is given 6.5, then it will cast this into the integer and it will give us 6, which is wrong. We need the proper float integer, so floating point number. So we need this in double. That's why I'm using this 30.0 and 6.0. And based on my R angle and minute angle, I will find my angle difference. It will be absolute difference of R angle minus minute angle. And since if my clock is something like this, so with the help of this formula, we are able to find this angle. But what if my time is something like this? My R angle is here and R hand is here and minute hand is here. So my angle will be, in our question, we need to find the minimum possible angle. So in this, by using this formula, we are able to find this angle. So to find the minimum between this and this, so we will be doing this minimum of angle difference is the one we find with the help of formula, and then this we will take the minimum of this angle also, 360 minus this angle difference. So we will be able to find this angle as well. So the minimum one we will return. So this is the solution. I hope you will be you will understand this. If you will have any doubt, you can reach out to me in the comment section as well. I will try to reply as soon as possible. The only thing is in this question is the formula. If we are able to make the formula for the R angle and the minute angle, the rest of the question is easy only. And I hope you understood what I have done for R angle and minute angle. It is easy only based on we always try to find based on 1 minute. What will be the angle for 1 minute and 1 hour? Then the same we can do for X minute and X hour. So yeah, I hope you will be able to understand this question. So yeah, thank you.